Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly reset your Roblox settings online to default. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and as you guys can see here, I currently have my Roblox launcher open, and the idea here is if you want to reset your stats, or I should say your settings or video configuration to default, this is not where you'd want to be. So it's not normally a setting that you can access in game where you can simply click on reset to default, as you can actually change your default values, and that would be set in stone. So whenever you hit the reset the default button, it's just going to change the settings to that. Now the actual fix for this is quite simple, but it's a bit obscure when it comes to knowing what to do. So I'll show you guys just how to do it. So what you guys need to do is you need to open up your PC and your Roblox, obviously. And actually, let me switch windows here real quick. So I'm going to go back to my desktop real quick. Just like so. Here we are. And the idea here is you guys would want to hit Windows key R on your keyboard. Now this is going to pull up the run window where you would want to type app data. So here we are. I typed down app data. I'm going to hit enter. And you'll have three selections here for your folder, being local, local low, and roaming. Now from here, you guys would want to go to local, and then you would want to look for the folder for Roblox. So I'm going to keep scrolling down until you find R, and here it is. Here's Roblox. And the idea here is you guys would want to go to the folder called local storage. Actually, hold on. I believe it was Actually, hold on. This is where the cookies are. So let's go back a few folders. I believe the folder where you guys would want to be at is versions. Okay, so it's this one, right. So you guys would want to click on this versions folder. And once you're here, you'd want to go to the content tab, like so. Go to configs. And once you're here, simply delete all of these folders right here. And what's going to happen is Roblox is going to generate a fresh batch of configuration files for you. So this is going to effectively reset your settings. And you guys should have your default values on Roblox back to normal. And that's honestly all there is to it. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.